Welcome back. Today we are looking at a detailed look at Kenmore 36 side-by-side refrigerator with freezer usability. Sony XR42, a 90K 42-inch 4K Bravia XR OLED high review. Is it worth it? Samsung 34 Odyssey G55 TWQHD 165Hz 1 MSMPRT HDR Samsung Odyssey Arc 55-inch monitor review, the ultimate guide to shoe storage boxes. Clear 2026, a comprehensive breakdown of KTC 32-inch 4K gaming monitor, 165Hz UHD 3840x 2160p, exploring the value of AMD Ryzen 9 5950X 16-core 32-thread unlocked desktop Intel Core i9-10900 desktop processor 10 cores up T review, a deep dive into mechanics, a deep dive into Skytech gaming legacy, 4 gaming PC AMD Ryzen 9 9950 innovation, the science of Sapphire 113,230,220G. Pulse AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTGA, a review. Check the link in the description to get yours today.